Hi guys, I bought a squishy dumpling and it has no holes in it. And don't mind if the thing cut the blue thing where you take it off. It's okay because I accidentally took it. Okay, let's get it up. I got the glittery one. Look, I have proof that it's real because look at the face. Look at the cute little face. Oh my goodness, bro, it's so soft. I never had a squishy dumpling before except for fake ones. Wow, it's so cute, bro. Like, it's so glittery. I wish I got the golden one. It was the ultra rare golden one, and I got the ultra rare. I got the very the rare orange dumpling. Yeah, I think it has Orbeez in it. Oh no. But I thought. Oh, so jiggly. Okay, that's my brother, anyways. Wow. Hi.
Hey, kumain ka kay
He said hi. Wait. Oh no, not the.
Huwag mo pahaawa kay Aiden yan. Bumutasin yan.
Eva. Ah. You're not allowed to hold my dumpling. Badu. Ah. Badu. No.
Bigyan mo na lang yung takip.
Mm.
Sarap. Bang din. Sarap.
No. Okay, bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.